Hi guys, so this is just one of a few videos that I've done about the subject of lash product safety within the industry, the truth of an unregulated industry, the dark side of the industry, what goes on behind closed doors, why a lot of big brands sell you crap and have absolutely no idea of what goes into their products, things like the truth about UK compliance. But I basically uncover the truth about what goes on in an unregulated industry and why so many lash artists are having allergic reactions, which they don't need to have, how you can sometimes reverse from allergic reaction, and basically just talking about the truth behind the toot that is in our industry. 95% of the crap that's coming out of the Far East being sold to you guys and destroying your health. And I was a victim of this in 2014 when I had serious allergic reaction to lash adhesive. Didn't know it at the time, but in a nutshell, it led me on a journey over the last 9 years to learn all I could about lash liquids and adhesives and produce my own super safe range of UK made lash liquids that have been allowed to allow me to lash again and wear lashes myself for the last 9 years. So go and check out my first video if you want to learn more about my story as to what started all of this off back in 2014 and led me to be really passionate about the brand that I sell internationally to help protect the health of lash artists. So today I'm going to talk about my white label opportunity, and this is where lash artists or lash suppliers that want to sell their own lash brand can buy my products and put their own label on them and then sell them for a big profit. And they're all super safe, win-win. So the benefit of this, guys, is that we've got all of the products here. You know, they've all been tried and tested over the last 9 to 10 years. They hold all of the safety reports. There's nothing that you need to do on them. You can buy them with confidence, knowing they're the safest in the world. They are all produced here in the UK, super fresh, all tested by toxicologists. They hold all of the correct paperwork. You're not going to get a safer lash product in the world. And the reason being is because I've put my heart and soul into this. I was, like I said, severely allergic in 2014. I can't expose myself to anything that comes out of the Far East, which is where 95% of the lash products come from. This is the only way that I've been able to stay in this industry and be fit and healthy. So if you are somebody, like I said, that is looking to either bring this in or launch a brand selling lash products, you need to make sure that the liquids that you're buying and the adhesives are safe, because you could end up with a massive lawsuit. And the industry is changing. The industry is starting to take note. You know, we do have regulations here within the UK, but the USA, you guys over there are starting to crack down on this. The FDA are bringing it in MOCRA. It might even already come in by now by the time you watch this video, where they're really cracking down on ingredients used in beauty products because there are so many issues. So it's going to be tough times for suppliers that are buying from the Far East, because they're not going to be able to get their liquids that they're buying through unless they basically just fake the ingredients list and the material safety data sheets, which is what goes on anyway already. But hopefully the FDA will actually start opening bottles and testing these products to see that what is in them is safe. But going back to it, so my white label, if you want to know more, what we've done is we've put a massive catalogue together with everything that you need to know. Now, I talk a little bit about my story, about how I produce my lash liquids. I talk about the Far East, the dangers of buying from the Far East. It's like a real comprehensive thing. And then we've got like all of the products in there, the bottles that you can have them in, the lids that you can have on them, your product labeling, the pricing, how you order. We're making this really simple for you guys, and this is something that you guys kept asking for. You kept asking me if I offered white labeling, and I didn't. I was like, no, I don't. And everyone kept asking, so I was like, do you know what? Let's do this, because there is people that actually share my passion and they do want to make sure that they are supplying safe lash liquids and glues because they're passionate. You know, they're not out for just the money. You know, of course we have to make money. This is why we do what we do. You know, we don't do this for fun, but you have to have that passion as well. And when you've been personally affected by something like this is what started my journey. I'm not a scientist. I don't care about product ingredients, but when I was personally affected by this and it nearly ended the career that I love, that I put so much passion into and I wanted to do, I had to find an alternative. And with my dad being an inventor as well, I've got that brain where I'm like, let's get out there and find this alternative. And that's what I did. And I want to share this passion and this opportunity with you guys to have your own label of UK made safe lash liquids, not this crap that's coming out of China or the Far East or whatever, so that you can sleep well at night and know that what you are retailing is good, honest products. And also, create a good business for yourself. You know, everybody needs lash supplies, so why not do it? So if you want to know more, head over to my website, eyelashexcellence.com. You will see the white label tab at the top of the website. Go onto there, all of it is there. We have a downloadable catalogue. Just click download. Everything is in there. Massive FAQ section just to guide you along the whole way of what you've got to do. And of course, at the end of that, if you have any more questions, then you can contact us through there. Now, don't forget to check out all my other videos in this series because I'm covering a different subject in each one, because I'd be here for about 4 hours otherwise. Don't forget to give this a like if you found this useful, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you can keep up to date with all of these videos that are coming out. And also social media. Don't forget to follow me on my social media channel, Eyelash Excellence. Wherever you go, Eyelash Excellence, just type it in. Do loads of posts on this subject as well, educating. Not many people out there want to talk about this, but I will. So just keep watching to learn as much as you can, because as a lash artist, you have a responsibility to know that what you're working with is safe and what you're putting on your clients is safe, because eventually this will make you sick. Maybe not today, tomorrow, next month, next year. It will make you sick if you keep using really bad products, and it will destroy our lash industry, and I don't want that to happen. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you at the next video.